Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can ignore a group chat on your messenger. After the new update, you cannot see this feature called ignore. As you guys can see, I don't have it. So anybody who has the latest version of Messenger, they will not find the ignore feature because Facebook has decided to remove it. Because instead of ignore, they have this new feature called mute, which works similar to ignore. So if you want to ignore a group chat on Messenger, what you want to do is hold on the group chat. So for an example, I will go with this group Deno. I'm going to ignore the message of this group Deno. So to do that, I need to hold on the group and then it's going to show me all this option at the bottom. From this, I need to click on mute. Since I don't have the ignore option, I need to click on mute. And for mute, it's asking me for how long I want to mute it. Now, if you click on 15, 8, 24, then it's going to be muted for that much period. After that, the mute is going to be removed automatically. But if you don't want that, then you want to click on until I change it. Once you click on until I change it, until you manually unmute this group message, its message is going to be ignored, which means if they call or they type anything on this group, I'm not going to get any notification or anything. I need to come inside Messenger to check their message manually. So this is basically what ignore does. Now instead of ignore, mute does this, alright? So what I basically did was ignore a group chat on Messenger. It's that simple. So if I want to unignore them, or which means unmute them, I can just hold on their name or their group chat and click on unmute, and basically the group chat will be unmuted again. So that's how we guys can ignore a group chat on Messenger. So this is basically the new ignore feature. So hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.